Welcome to all our Roulette Facts YouTube viewers, as well as members from our Facebook page and Instagram channel. My name is Frankie, aka Blackjack Hammer, and today, guys, we bring you another brand new roulette software video review. This one is called Legacy AI Solutions, created by a guy named Shaun, who reached out to me and asked me if I could review it, test it out for him, and of course tell him what I thought of the software. And I've been using it for about a month, guys, now, and he's been tweaking it on and off because it needs a little tweaking and some things needed to be fixed. But I appreciate him asking me. Guys, real quick, this is a live dealer, live wheel, real casino. I'm starting out with 272 pounds and 50 pence. But guys, it's an English website. I'm just going to say 272 units, okay? Much easier. One of my viewers told me a long time ago, guys, Frankie, stop converting the currency while you're doing the video. Just say units. So 272 units. That's what I'm going to start out with. This little software goes by math, guys. It's got over 2,000 strategies, and I've already inputted most of the numbers. As you can see, 15 just came out. I'm waiting for my threshold of 22 spins, which I set it at. You can set it to whatever threshold you want, but it's recommended to set it at 22 to 25 spins. When Shaun asked me for my opinion and my feedback, I said, Shaun, a lot of these softwares, roulette prediction or whatever you want to call it, solutions, math, whatever it uses, does not take into account the hot numbers and the zero factor. So he added that. In this case, the hot cluster number right now, as you can see, 35 with its cluster numbers, it's reached a threshold of 9 out of 16 spins. So that's a good place to bet. And let me put 14. And then it's got the zero neighbor watch. If it hits 9 out of 16, the zero with the neighbor numbers or around the zero, that's a good time to bet. It has the hot numbers, as you can see here, and basically has other stuff. The hot numbers is 3 and 15, by the way. It has a bunch of other stuff. For example, what would you like to be alerted for? Like, for example, if a hot number comes out 2 times in the last 16 spins, you can set that up, or you can tell it to say, hey, I just wanted I want the 3 hits in the last 16 spins or 18 spins, whatever you want. It has that feature. Let's see if it'll give us the 12 numbers. No, not yet. 15 just came out. What it will do, guys, the threshold, you can set it to 15, 20, 22, 25, 30 spins, meaning once it reaches those spins, it'll give you the 12 numbers to bet on. Okay. Now, I do have to tell you that this site will log me out if I haven't placed a bet. So if we are waiting for the 12 numbers to pop up, the threshold, as it says here for the strategy, if the 12 numbers don't pop up, I'm going to bet one of these, like the zero neighbors or hot number clusters or the hot numbers themselves, just to keep the website from logging me off. Okay. Sorry, but no, look at that. 15. Wow. 15 is really hot. There we go, guys. It just gave me the numbers. Here we go. So I'm going to put 0 as a backup. 1, 7, 10, 9, 16, 21, 22, 27, 30, 33, 32, and 35. Got it. One thing, guys, that this software Shaun is working on is an auto bet method, because it's just not enough time to put all the bets. Okay. I do go quickly, but an auto bet system is what he's working on, so he could automatically place the bets. He is he's been tweaking it as he's been going along. 2 is not a hit. So what we do is, now he doesn't recommend to rebet and double, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to rebet and double. Okay. Only because, guys, that's the way I am. I'm adding 1 unit, half a unit actually. I'm adding to the half a unit already bet. So total 14 units, 251 units I'm at. I started with 272, so I'm down 21 units. Not a big deal. Again, guys, I've been using this for a month now, and it has worked out so far. while using it in beta mode. I have reached out to Shaun whenever there's a hiccup or a problem or something is wrong. He's been very accommodating and always contacting me back and letting me know, hey Frankie, I fixed this, fixed that. It's a work in progress, guys, but like I always tell you, the tools are a guide, they're not a guarantee. 16, that's a win. Look at that, guys, that's a win. And now it's telling me to bet. 16 is a win. 36 unit bet. I'm at 287 units. Now it's telling me to bet the numbers 1, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Again, it doesn't have auto bet, but he's working on that. And got it. I got it all. All right. So I'm putting half a unit, 7 units, total bet, 280 units. Started out at 272, so I'm around I'm at 15 unit profit, but I just bet 7 of it. Give me 1 second, guys. Let's see if we get a win here. 10, that's a loss. That's not a problem. By the way, 2 things, guys. The most that this software I've seen lose is about 6 in a row. It can go to 10 and 20, but very rarely. Also, he does have a membership, and the membership, just so you guys know, there is going to be a free trial. I think he already has it on the website, LegacyAi.solutions. He already has it on the website, 2-week free trial. I've been using it for a month, testing it out in the beta form. It has been working for me very well. Again, tools do not guarantee wins, guys. This tool will not say, hey, you're gonna win. Absolutely not. Tools do not help you win. 10 came out 2 times in a row. All right, so now I'm going to rebet, double, get rid of that, and add an extra half. Actually, I'm adding a whole unit now. Unit and a half. I start out with half a unit. I'm adding a unit, complete unit. So total is 20 units. I'm at 260 units. I started at 272. But like I said, guys, he's got a free trial, 2-week free trial. And also, too, he is very friendly. You can reach out to him, and he will help you understand. He's simplified it because I asked him to, because when I first started, it was too complicated. But it has many stats. 30, look at that. 30, there it is. That's a win. And let's see if he'll give us another. Nope. All right, so now, guess what, guys? I'm at a 54 unit win, 314 units. And what we'll do, guys, now is fast forward the video so you don't have to wait for the 12 numbers. And I'll see you on the other side. Uh, 30. Let's see if we can get nothing. All right. The hot number cluster is at 9 now. Okay, so 9. 30 is 24. Let me go to 24 here. 1 unit and 1 unit on 0. Let me put 2 units on 0 because I like 0. Everybody knows that. I'm putting 21 units down, 294 units in my bankroll. Basically, guys, the reason I do that is because number one, this site will log me out if I don't place a bet within 20 minutes. Also, as you can see here, the hot number cluster, which is 24 with the neighbor numbers of 5. I put neighbor numbers of 9, so I made a mistake there. 9 out of 16, 60% of the time it's come out, so that's when it's good to bet. This needs to be at 5, and I forgot. All right, 1, there you go. That was a hit, see? That was a hit. Now let's see if it'll give us the 12 numbers. Yes, there's the 12 numbers. Here we go, guys. Here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 17, 18. Can I make it? Can I make it? And yes, I made it. So there it is, all the numbers. All right, the 12 numbers. It reached the threshold, okay? And it tells you right here the pattern, what they call vector orbit. And it tells you the threshold 22 was reached. Sometimes I believe it gives you a percentage. It was there it is. There's the percentage. Confidence 86%, I believe it is. Let's see if it's true. 13, that's a loss. Okay, not a big deal. Now, Shaun doesn't recommend you double up, but I do. That's the way I play. 15 units betting and 307 units in the bankroll. As you can see, I went up a half a unit, 1 unit on each number, 2 units on the backup 0. And of course, they're the numbers that the software gave me, which I placed. 86% confidence rate. Hopefully it'll come out. We'll see what happens. And guys, always play responsibly, please. These software tools are not guaranteed for you to win. They are a guide to help you make better decisions. I say that about every tool, every software, and if the software is BS or a scam, I call it out as well. Let's see what we get, guys. 13 was the last number. What do we get now? Is that 35? Yeah, 35. That's a loss. Not a big deal. All right, guys, that was the second straight loss in a row. We're going to rebet. You don't have to do a progression or add a unit. I'm going to do it myself because that's the way I play. I'm going to add half a unit to each number. The 0 stays at 2 units. I'm not going to add anything there. The total bet here that you're going to see is now 21 units. My bankroll is at 286 units. Guys, always play responsibly and don't gamble more than what you can afford to lose. Now, the software here says confidence level is 91%, so we're looking for a good win here. If we get a win, I will end the video. Guys, remember that this video is for entertainment purposes only and it is not financial advice. Here we go, guys. Let's see what we get. And it's a 5. That's it. That's a winner. Yes, it is. There you go. And that is 54 unit win, which brings my bankroll now to 340 units, 68 unit profit. And that will do it for this video, guys. The name of the software is Legacy AI. LegacyAi.solutions is the website. Creator's name is Shaun. Very nice guy. He reached out to me and said, hey, Frankie, can you look at this software and let me know what you think? Gave him some tips and advice, and he took the feedback very well, made some tweaks, and I appreciated him listening. So guys, tell me what you think. Leave the comments below if you would use this software or not. I'll leave all the information in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.